Your trade profit will increase by 10,000% if you introduce this candlestick secret to your trading game. Welcome guys, this is Crypto Talker right here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to go to your candlesticks change pattern. Okay, get free 5,000, $10,000 to $10,000 to start your trading journey on Wix Exchange when you sign up with the link in the comment section or the description of this video. Also, get free 5,000 to $100,000 to start up your trading journey on Binex Exchange when you use the link in the description or the comment section of this video. Okay, so guys, you know what we are talking about here, how to make money from trading cryptocurrency. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so guys, here we have it, our candlestick. So as I said, I'll be putting you guys through on candlestick change pattern. As you can see, it's over here. So candle color change pattern, uh, key resistance or area of confluence. Okay, so here we have our area of confluence. So this is the color change. This is the candle color pattern over here. Here we have our bullish candle. As you can see, is going up close to the area of confluence over here, which sellers came over here and brought it down. They pushed it, and sellers were in control. You can see the downtrend over here, which sellers took control of the market. Also, we have over here where we have our bearish candlesticks, as you can see them, okay, which was moving down. Sellers were trying to bring the market down, and you see over here we have our bullish candlestick, which buyers came and pushed up. Buyers came in control of the market. You can see over here our area of support, where it reached our area of support and the buyers took control. Okay, so guys, let me be showing you guys some other meaningful. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, so this is where you have candles of one color before an opposite color final present itself. Okay, so we have our uptrend over here. So the Okay, our uptrend over here. So the consecutive green candles show a continuation of a buying presence before a red candle appeared, which then shows a loss of momentum from the buyers as price fell close to candle with a higher and high candle close, which can be interrupted by an early signal of a positive reverse of price. Okay, so down here also we have our downtrend. A consecutive red candle shows a continuous selling present before a green candle presents, which then shows a loss of momentum from the sell. As price failed close the candle with a lower and low candle close, which can be interrupted by a early signal of positive revival of price. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you an example where we head to our trading view, which I'll be putting you guys through. Okay, so let me just show you guys an example right now. Okay, so we have something like this. I'll be using my Bitcoin 4 hours trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have something like this over here, where you can see this big bullish candle, this big bullish candle with with a long wick. We have another big bullish candle. Then we have here we can see a bearish candle, a small bearish candle with a hammer man. You can just call it a hammer man over here. So as you can see, it's like this. So buyers came. First of all, sellers pushed the price downward, and as buyers came over here. You can see this big bullish candle, as I said, this big bullish candle over here, which buyers pushed to this level and sellers pushed it downward. Okay, and also buyers came again and pushed it upward till reach this level. So over here we have our area of resistance over here. over area of resistance, which will now have this short and bearish candle over here. Then it pushed, buyer still came over here to try and push it up. I tried again over here. Sellers came and brought it down to this level. Buyers still tried to push this. So the market was buyers and sellers were trying to push the market to an extent, and where we now have a big bearish candle, which buyers now push the market down. Okay, they pushed it downward. So if you placed a short over here, if you place a short over here, somewhere over here, you could have make massively. Just place a short. As you can see, let's take a look. And they even passed the, you can see where buyers passed they reached the level of confidence over here. Reach the level of confidence. So if, as I said, if you place a short over here, that make it massively, because let's see, the price is about 100 and 102 900, and it's about 102 over here, 102 dollars over here. So if you place a short, let's see how much it will bring over here. And as you can see over here, sellers pushed it to the level of support over here, where we reach the level of support down here. Buyers, they pushed it up, they still pushed it up. You can see the big bullish candle over here with the long wick. They pushed it up to this level, and it still reached the area of resistance over here. You can see it reached the area of resistance over here. It came back to the area of resistance, which sellers now pushed it to this level, pushed it downward, pushed it downward. It still went down. As you can see, as it dumped down to this level, and it still went downward. Okay, so if you have put maybe you made a short over here, you could have made massively, as I said. You just pushed it down to this level. You can see this is a good trade. A good trade would have made a massive gain, made a very massive gain over here. So let's see. And it reached about a 78,545,000 dollars. Okay, this is where it reached, and it was a wonderful trade. Okay, so this is an example of the uptrend. Okay, so let's head back. Let me show you guys another example. So here we have a momentum candlestick. Okay, here we can see the diagram over here, which buyers came and pushed the price. They pushed the price above the area of confidence. Okay, while sellers now came and pushed it down. You can see this big bearish candle over here. They pushed it down and took over the market. Okay, sellers were in control of the market. Okay, so we also have an example over here. Which sellers came and pushed it down to the level of supply, area of supply over here. Buyers came and pushed it up, and buyers took control of the market. Okay, which simply means, okay, this is where the candle body size is much larger than the previous candle, showing a gain of momentum. Okay, so the momentum candle, when used like this, is also called a follow through candle. Okay, also for a follow through candle, or a confirmation candle. The pattern confirms that heavy selling presence has actively entered the market after the short trade setup, meaning you can use this as a trend change confirmation. Okay, so also we have the down trend. So it means the pattern confirms that heavy buyers present has actually entered the market, that is long trade setup, meaning you can use this as a trade change confirmation. Okay, So let me be showing you guys an example on this. Okay, so here we have it. We have series of examples over here. Here we have it. So sellers came down here. You can see this big bearish candle with a long wick also came here, and they pushed the price down over to the level of support, the area of support, sorry, the area of support down here. Push it downwards. So we now have this big, this big big bullish candle over here, which we have the area of resistance over here. So buyers and sellers came, and they tried to buy in the market, and sellers came to sell also. That's why you have this area of resistance showing over here. Okay, so they continued it until they reached this level where we have this place where the buyers came and pushed it up to this level. They pushed it up to this level, and sellers also came and pushed it down. They pushed it down. Here we have the long wick, the short wick, and the long wick. Then we have this candle wick over here, this bullish candle wick. Okay, this momento, this is what we call the momento. Okay, so it came over here, and there was still a area of resistance over here, which you can see it, area of resistance. Then it dumped down. Also sellers also came and brought it to this level, okay. They even reached the it was even reaching the area of support. As you can see, the area of support down here, area of support. Okay, then we now have this short bullish candle over here, this short bullish candle over here. Then we have this inverted hammer, which pulled up to this level. Buyers came over here, and sellers tried to push it down. Okay, they tried to push it down. So killer and sellers came in control. As you can see, they pushed it up. It came up, and it came up, is it was going up, so they were in control. Buyers were in control of the market. They were in total control of the market, which you can see over here. Came and they pushed it up, and it continued going up. As you can see, let's check the price. Let's check the price over here. This is about 60,340. Okay, $40. Okay, so they pushed it. Let's see the height of it. It also came here. You can see this big bullish candle, and it keep on going up. Okay, let's see. This is a good trade, a massive trade. Let's see this level. It's at 98, and it came over here at 100 and 103. Okay, 103,902. Okay, it came over here at this point. So it is a massive trade. If you placed a trade, if you placed a trade over here, you could have made it massively. Okay, amazing, massively. Is a good trade. So guys, don't forget, always monitor. Don't just don't just go into trading like that. Don't go into trading by seeing a momentum candlestick, or seeing the type. I mentioned types of, I showed you guys types of candlesticks. So type of candlestick, just make sure you go through it carefully. Know your candlestick pattern, and you're good to go. You monitor it, and know your make sure if you want to enter a trade, it must be above it must be at your area of confluence, or area of support. Okay, it must be among these two places. You can't just start trading at a area of resistance. It must be at your area of support. Just know your trading well, and you're good to go. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and also guys, my WhatsApp link will drop in the comment section, so you can just click on it to join the WhatsApp community. Okay, I would like to know where you're watching from. Are you in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, US, Uganda, UK? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. This is Crypto Talker here. Peace out.